Hey, welcome to this quick explainer on how to stop screens from totally wrecking your sleep and cells.
See, artificial blue light acts like a blaring biological alarm clock. It totally confuses your brain and body.
This non-stop alarm completely disrupts your mitochondria. It halts melatonin production, causing massive cellular stress and serious fatigue.
To fix this, Dr. Anastasia Vella recommends the Circadian Anchor protocol. It actually optimizes melatonin and cellular repair.
The whole protocol uses two specific types of T8 Stёkla blue blockers to completely regulate your body's internal rhythms.
Step 1. Pop on the yellow lenses from noon until twilight. That blocks 76% of midday artificial glare.
Step 2. Switch to the orange lenses 2 to 3 hours before bed, blocking 96% of those harmful rays.
Anchoring your circadian rhythm protects your mitochondria. So, are you going to reset your biological clock tonight?